how this Gateman won the heart of his ball. Grab your popcorn and let's go on this journey. When a lady is seriously due for marriage, you know how mothers can be, especially when they are involving the man of the house, that is the father. Also, you know how much they can be on your neck, how they can even be praying for you day and night, calling you. That's exactly what is happening in the life of this lady. And to top it all, she made a vow to God. That is what she's explained to the sister here, that she will not do hook up, she will not be involved in any dirty game until she married. But the dream was shattered, or let's say the vow was shattered actually. I almost moved to tears when I was watching this movie because she actually followed a lady, the supposed roommate, when they were in school, followed her to a party, and from the party she has not taken alcohol before. In fact, it was that friend that gave her the party dress she wore. She trusted the roommate, guest stuff. But she was drunk, and that was her first time, drugs and everything. She lost control, and that was it. She passed out, and before she could wake up the next morning, she realized she has been raped, and that results to pregnancy. That is the small girl that was being given birth to with the gamer playing ball at the compound. So now top it off. This lady vowed that okay, she's going to marry anyone that this virgin are, and she woke up being raped, and there's obsession here because she's also making a vow that okay, that's the person she will marry, and she has not met that person before. She said she's going to marry the father of her child. So what is going to happen anyway? There's another Prince Charming, as you can see, you know um trying to lead our queen down the aisle. She even went to their house. You can see she made this dinner they were eating, and she slept over there because she spent so much time with them, and she had to sleep over there. Now she told her friend, and the friend was totally in support. She wants her friend to get married, get stuff, and the child. Funny enough, she's a single mother, and that's to capture the heart of any woman. Just fall in love with their children, or let their children fall in love with you. And the gate man is the one doing the assignment, playing with the child. Sometimes the child will not even want to sleep without seeing the game match. You don't want to eat without seeing the game match. This lady had to warn the game man, else she's going to sack the game, and the affection between the gamer and the daughter continue on and on and on. And gradually she started falling for him. And of course, things started working out. Though she's still in the hunt of the father of that child, and she wants to know who is the father of her child. In fact, she doesn't care what he does, whether I barrel push her, whether anything at all. She just wants to get married to that person. Wow, this is, if you ask me, I would say the title of the movie should be something like Insane Love or Section of Love, stuff like that. Thank you very much.